So you've forgotten your PIN to your Samsung Galaxy S5, and whatever you do, you just can't recall it. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to factory reset it or hard reset it. And the way we do that is first power off the device. And we're going to power off. And keep in mind that this will erase all data, but you will still be able to use your device. And if you have a Google or Gmail lock on it, you'll need to remember those credentials. So now we're going to hard reset it or factory reset it. We're going to hold power at the same time, volume up at the same time, home. 1, 2, 3, go. And we're going to keep holding, and we'll get a vibration, and then we'll see the phone power on, and we'll see recovery screen, and it'll bring up the Android recovery screen. And this is where we'll use the volume buttons to choose wipe data, factory reset, push OK with power, confirm yes, push OK, and then we can see down here and verify that all data has been wiped. Data wipe is complete, and now you'll be able to reboot your system, and it'll erase the old PIN, and you'll be able to use your Samsung Galaxy S5 again. Please like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.